The long sound, short sound rule. This is a fundamental part of Vietnamese pronunciation. It took me a long time to figure this out, but it's crucial for the pronunciation of many words. Furthermore, native speakers do this automatically without knowing it, and in my experience, they won't explain this rule to you. Once you put this into practice, your ability to be understood will skyrocket. In English, each sound in a word is essentially one unit of time. Take the word sun, for example. There are 3 sounds in the word sun, sun, and each sound is given essentially the same amount of time, sun. But if we extend the U sound and shorten the N sound, it will sound like sun. On the other hand, if we shorten the U sound and extend the N sound, it sounds like sun. Sun means paint, and sun is court, field, or yard, any place where you play sports. Listen to these words again. Sun, sun, sun. Now we can think of O with the hook N and A with the hat N as a pair. Their only difference is that we've shortened one sound and lengthened the other sound. The 2 sounds here are n. This one's long, short, un. This one's short, long, un, un, un. O with the hook N is a long, short sound, and A with the hat N is a short, long sound. Let's look at some other pairs like this. We have un. We can see this in the Vietnamese word hun. Short, long, un, like the word chun. Gum, gum. Gum means prohibited. You'll often see this word with a red circle with a red line through it, meaning don't go here. O with the hook I. Chơi. A with the hat Y. Ai. Tai. A, I. So the 2 sounds are going to be I, E, long, short. I, hi. A, Y. Again, the sounds are I, E, but it's short, long. Ai, ngày. A, N, an, ban. A with the smile N. Ăn, bắn. A-M. Am, làm. A with the smile M. Tắm. On this word, you can see you really go straight to the consonant sound. Focus on making the sound. Skip over the A sound as much as possible. Tắm. A-O. The sounds are ow. So it's ow, zow. A-U. Ow, zau. A-N-G. Ang, mang. A with the smile N-G. Ang, mang. I-E-U. The 2 sounds we are looking at are E, U. A longer time on the E. E-U, C-U, I-U. The 2 sounds are E, U, short, long, U, ziu. U, E, vui, ui. And U, E, ui, zui. U-A, ua, cua. And Q-U-A, qua, quá. U with the hook A. Ưa, mưa. This one has no partner, so there is no just Another one with no partner, E-O. ow. There's no ow, just ow, meow. Now on this side, A with the hat U, ooh, oh, so. There's no long, short, oh, just oh, so. And here's the exception to the rule, A and H. Now, if you look on the short, long column here, there's a lot of A with the smile. And over here, the corresponding long, short has A without the smile. A and H has no partner over here, so there's no need to write the smile. That's why it's an exception. The A is going to be short and NH is long. Ang, sang. There is no long, short, ang, just ang. Let's look at these two letters, I and Y. In Vietnamese, both of these letters sound like E. To differentiate between the two, I is called E ngan, or literally short E. Y is called E zai, literally long E. This probably refers to their shape. I is short, Y is long. But you can use it to help with pronunciation also. In the following long sound, short sound pairs, the E ngan makes a short sound, and the E zai makes a long sound. I. The I is short, I, and the Y is long, I. Next one, I, ui, ui.